Today we'll be talking about Toyota Tacoma 2015, and I'm sure they're similar from 2006 to 2015. So I'll be changing cabin filter. I'll show you how it's done. I mean, you don't really have to change it if it's not dirty, but this is how you do it. You open this first, make sure it's clean because everything's gonna fall if something's there. So there's that plastic, you push it in, and same thing on this side, you push it in just like that, and see, it's not going down because something else is holding it, which is this piece right here that goes up. So what you have to do is reach in there and pop it this way, like just lightly, don't break it, but it should be fine. Once you pop it, that's it. It looks like this. You can either set it on this thing or this, depends where you want it. And then you go in here, and these right here nubs, you have to press down this one and that one. There's two of them, both of them. This one and that one. And there's the filter. So mine's kind of dirty. Oh yeah, it is dirty. So I'll be cleaning it, and then I'll be putting it back because I don't have a filter with me.